Well, cars can really annoy you. Here we are. The flathead engine, 6 volt. Engine was rebuilt, and then we had a slight knocking sound, which seemed to be coming from the first piston. So the engine was stripped. Nothing was found, no damage, and apart from one piston that seemed to have a tiny little bit of movement in it. But other than that, everything was absolutely perfect. So we put it back together again, and the knocking was still there. I drove the car around for a few days, and then it was ticking over, absolutely quiet. I mean, oh dear. Let's have a look. So we'll try it now. It'll possibly knock when it's cold, but we'll see what happens when it warms up. That's the engine cold, but with the choke in, it's got no choke, but the hand throttle is on, so it's set to rev a bit. Right, well the knock is there now as it's cold, it's ticking over, but when it warms up, it's quiet as anything, so we're not going to worry about it. I'll let it run for a bit and see what happens. Right, well this is about 5 minutes later, or less, and it's running really nice. It's not fully warm yet, but there's no piston slap, and no vibration, fairly quiet. I don't see there's anything wrong with that.